Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead, see or delete all your sent friend requests on Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and it's without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, first of all open up your Facebook app. Once you have opened up your Facebook app, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this friends list, which is not over here. So this icons only comes which you use regularly. So for that, we're gonna go to our profile with 3 horizontal line and tap on this option called friends over here. Now we will be able to see all of the friend requests that we have seen, and we're gonna tap on this see all option and tap on this 3 dot icon above and tap on this view sent requests given below. This will show us the request that we have sent to people or to accounts right there in our Facebook. And if we would like to remove it, we can simply tap on this cancel option, and that way that request will be cancelled. So if you have multiple requests, you won't have an option called like selecting all of them and deleting at once. So we'll have to cancel them one by one. So I will simply tap on this cancel option, and the request is now cancelled. And if I go back, tap on this 3 dot again, tap on view sent request, I will have my sent request list is now cleared out because I have cancelled the previous one. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.